This ship caught fire 3 times, sank its own dry dock, lost its crew to the trenches. Russia's only aircraft carrier. Stay till the end to see how it dies. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia, built in 1985, USS Gerald R, America, built in 2017. 8 years in repair, $1 billion spent, 0 days at sea since 2017. Russia's flagship has its own tugboat in case the engines die, which they do. The ship had 4 names: Riga, Brezhnev, Tbilisi, Kuznetsov, a boat with identity problems. Built in a Ukrainian shipyard in Mykolaiv. The same Ukraine Russia now fights. The engines, also made in Ukraine. The black smoke? It's not a fire, it's a tradition. A Russian admiral said the smoke means, "Hello, I have arrived." 2012, the engines died near Syria. A tugboat pulled it home, 2,700 miles. 2016, Syria, the first real combat mission after 31 years of service. In the first weeks, 2 jets fell into the sea, a MiG and a Sukhoi. The arresting cables broke twice. 2017, the ship goes for repairs. They promised 4 years. Today is 2026. October 2018, the dry dock sank under the ship. A 70-ton crane fell on the deck. The hull was 4 meters by 5. 2019, a welder started a fire. 1 worker died, 10 injured. 2022, another fire, the same welder. He just keeps trying. Where did the money go? A shipyard director stole $600,000 just from one budget. 2024. The crew was sent to Ukraine. 1,500 sailors in the trenches. The ship had no crew left. Meanwhile, USS Gerald R finished its first deployment. 10,300 flights, 83,000 miles. Ford carries 75 jets, electromagnetic catapults, F-35 fighters. Kuznetsov? 26 jets, a ski jump ramp, no radar planes. China built 3 carriers. India operates 2. Russia, 0. The same Soviet design works for everyone else.
There is no point in repairing it anymore.
2026. They finally raised the sunken dry dock after 8 years underwater. Not to fix the ship, to send it for scrap.
They built it. They couldn't fix it, so they scrapped it themselves.
Room for one more? My duck cannot hold all of you.